feel like a highlighter. Tell me why though when I was pouring this, because it came in like a cute pink can. I thought it was gonna be a cute color, but it's definitely like a healthy Dr. Pepper alternative, which is definitely caramel colored. I wanted to bring you guys all the spring vibes in this spring refresh. Oh, I know I did a summer refresh last year, which was really fun, but I wanted to do a spring one this year. So we are going to do a little closet clean out, and then we're also going to do a refresh of just my apartment in general, switching out candles, reorganizing my bookshelf, figuring out new books I want to read for spring, bringing out any seasonal decor, like anything like that, and just feeling fresh. And then we'll see what else this video holds. I'm not quite sure yet. A few weeks ago, Nashville was in the 70s, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we are 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So even though it's sunny, thank God the sun came out today. A few weeks ago, I was more in the spring mindset than I am today, but that's okay. I am gonna bring you guys the vibes in this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe, and let's get started with this refresh. So first thing, scent is obviously a huge part of the seasons, and so I'm gonna switch out my candles. I put away most of my Christmas candles. I kept this one out that my mom got me. It's called This Smells Like Stars Hollow in the Winter. There's definitely still half there, so we'll save this for next year. Now I'm gonna look at all the candles that I have. It's called The Library. It's like, this one smells like Jane Austen Gardenia. It smells very spring. I don't know if I have a spot for it yet. My friend also got me these for my birthday in the fall, and I hadn't used them yet because they're more like spring and summer candles, but this one, they're both from Patty Wax. This one's Cotton and Teak, and this one's Fresh Air and Sea Salt. On Black Friday from Anthropologie, I bought myself this big volcano candle from their outlet. I started burning this one already because it's just so good, and it's the perfect spring summer vibe. So I think I'm gonna put this one on my big table. Currently, there is no rhyme or reason to my bookshelf, and we need to change that because it's just kind of a mess. Also, this is actually a cute piece of spring decor. My friend, Erin, who got me the candles, also got me this illustration. It's from the book It Ends With Us, like Lily's Flower Shop, and she got this for me for my birthday too. It has the Boston Lily Bloom's Floral Shop newspaper. Right now I just have it in the windowsill, but that's actually really cute for spring. All right, I think I want to organize these, like do like self-help together journals, and then kind of group them together by genre / author. We'll see kind of what happens. I actually haven't bought a book yet this year because I get everything from my library on my Kindle, but this is making me want to buy some new books.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something
I put all my romance books at the top because I feel like those are super cute and fun, and then my Bridgerton, other random fiction books, and then Sarah J. Maas, and then we go into my nonfiction Christian books, and then journals and used planners, and then my coffee table books. I feel like it looks cute. There is some big spaces here that maybe I should fill a little bit more, but then it's out of order, so I don't know, but I'm liking it. It looks a lot more together. All right, so next I'm gonna work on my little cocktail cart here. Over the winter, I turned it into a hot chocolate station. I had mugs and stuff here, and then I've been slowly transitioning it back to the bar cart. So I'm gonna take out all the hot chocolate items, my Harry Potter chocolate frog. I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm just gonna put it in my pantry because you never know when a hot cocoa craving might strike. So I love my Anthro coupe glasses. I think I'm gonna bring back in my margarita glasses. These are super cute down here. Maybe I'll bring those up. We're scratching everything I just did. Aperol, a little bit of 818 tequila left. And then I'm gonna use, I've had this for a while. It's a cucumber mint lime cocktail syrup. I hope it's still good. I need to use it. Oh, it definitely expired last June. Okay. It's just gonna be for looks now. And then I have these Rifle Paper Company straws that are so cute and springy. I just found in my pantry. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to display these. Maybe like this. And I'm kind of not liking the green. I also have this really cute yellow teacup I kind of want to display because it's very spring. Okay, I think this could be cute. I just need something to go in the teacup. Guys, I figured it out. Oh, these little shooter bottles that, again, were just hidden in my pantry. This one's good for spring. Pear and ginger vodka. How cute. I'm obsessed. Before we get to the closet, I actually want to go through and clean out my skincare and hair. I recently did my makeup. I'm just gonna go through and get rid of any products I don't use anymore, or like this one I love from Summer Fridays, but it's basically empty. I think I used the last of it this morning. So I'm trying to decide if I want to buy another one or not. All right, there we go. I put all the products I use more frequently towards the front. On this side is all of my sunscreen and after sun. Over here is like face masks and serums. And that little bathtub just held like small items. And then these 4 products, these are all empty and these are hard to refill. Otherwise I would. Empty, pretty much empty / expired. And they are gonna be thrown out. Okay, on to the next cabinet. I recently went through all my makeup and got rid of everything I don't need and reorganized this, so now we're gonna focus on hair. I just brought all the products to the front and it seemed like there was a little spilling that happened with this shampoo. So I'm gonna need to get back there and just wipe down the cabinet. I'm gonna start with products I don't use as much. Those are doubles. Much better. The closet is kind of crazy. As I said, it's like the least organized part of my apartment. But of course, the first thing I'm gonna do is go through and put any clothes that I want to drop off at Goodwill in this bag. These are all actually very nice clothes. I probably could sell them if I wanted, but I just don't think I wanna take the time to list them or to bring them to like a Plato's Closet. So normally I just donate them. Yes, I had a coffee date with a girl this morning and she told me a really cool way to see if you are wearing your clothes each season. At the start of each season, put your hangers like this, and then when you wear something, you switch and you hang it like this, and then at the end of the season, you can see everything that you wore. So I thought that was a really cool idea.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Okay, we're looking a bit better. Now for this corner, socks, underwear, swimsuits, athletic stuff, it needs some work. So my mom got me, she found these on Amazon. ASMR. They are bra tank top hangers. They basically just have these little wings that can come out and hold so many items. I did my workout tops. Look at how nice this is. I feel like it saves so many hangers. They all just hang here. And now I'm gonna do it for my normal bras and maybe swimsuits. All right, don't mind all my storage and suitcases up there, but I feel like the actual closet is way more put together. This, oh my gosh, looks so much better. I hung up all my bras and swimsuits. This is like my new favorite thing because look at this. Look how much space this saved. This was all of this was in that basket. And now I have so much room in here for just underwear. I'm throwing out all of these socks and underwear. And this is the bag for donations. I'm actually gonna let Caroline, my intern, look through this tomorrow at work to see if she wants anything before I donate it. But yeah, this stuff gone, much more put together. It's gonna be easier for me to find things. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do today is, I think, my nails. As you guys have known, I've been rocking the short nothing nails, completely bare nails for 3 months now. And I was loving it, honestly. It was kind of nice to save the money, but last year I bought these from Amazon. They're gel press-on reusable nails. They're not very spring, but they are cute. They're just these black French tips, and I kind of want to try them out. It's going to be weird going from such short nails to such long nails, but I'm kind of over the short nails, so we're going to try these out. If they don't work, that's fine, but I just feel like my nails need a little refresh as well. Okay, so the next day, the nails are actually really strong. They are a little bit longer than I would want, especially because my nails will grow out wearing them. I'm interested to see how long they last. Right now though, they feel like I got them dipped or like acrylic. Like, they feel very strong and tough. I haven't like washed my hair, but I've been washing dishes, petting dogs, and like they're all still on. So I'm also kind of nervous. I'm like, I hope they don't stay on too long and they're not too hard to get off, but we'll see. But I wanted to show you guys real quick to finish out this video, this adorable spring dress I got from Amazon. I normally don't buy clothes on Amazon, but this type of cottagecore spring dress was so expensive on like House of CB and Revolve and all those other places, like $200+. And I saw some really good reviews for this one on Amazon, and it was $38. So I'm so excited to try it on for you guys. It's this yellow print, which I don't wear a ton of yellow anymore. I did when I was little, but I don't know why I was just feeling this like pastel yellow with pink flowers. They had a bunch of different prints though, and so if it fits well, I may order another. But let's try it on. It looks so good. It's actually kind of the perfect length. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it like barely hits the ground, so if I'm wearing a shoe it should be good. So keep that in mind. Obviously I wish it was a bit shorter on me, but if you're taller, it will be. The reviews actually said it was good if you have a larger chest, because a lot of these dresses are so tiny in the top that like nothing fits and it doesn't look right. But the reviews were right about this one. I am a double to triple D depending on the company, and I feel like it fits very well. Oh my gosh, I literally feel like a fairy tale princess. Like, I feel like Belle. Or like I'm in Bridgerton, which is the vibe I wanted. I like can't get over, I was not expecting it to fit this well. Like, most dresses like this do not fit me well. I may have to buy another color. All right, now I feel like I can end off this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That really helps out my channel. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, send it to a friend who may need a little spring refresh in their life. Let me know in the comments what you guys are doing to kind of refresh for the new season. And I will see you guys in my next video. I just realized I'm going to be posting this video on the first day of spring. Like, how perfect is that?